As a parent, I know how hard it can be to see your child falling behind at school. The widening gaps become ever harder to fill. Seeing my son struggle, it became evident how impossible it is to tailor every child's learning experience. It dawned on me that this complex and enduring problem would require a simple and elegant solution.
Combining my experience in both schools and high-growth tech startups with Charles's 25 years of experience as a software engineer and Google product manager, we brought together a team of people passionate about education, and together we built Zzish.
Our mission is to give teachers the superpowers to personalise their teaching to every student. Our vision was a single platform powered by data science that serves both students and teachers. We do this through software that allows teachers to quickly measure each student's mastery of a learning objective and then gives each of them the right tools to help the students progress.
Teachers and students join our platform in class or at home. We then offer a paid subscription upgrade for teachers, schools or entire regions to purchase. We offer these subscribers mastery data, allowing them to see the academic progress of every class on a daily basis. This brand new approach of connecting data across the entire education ecosystem gives us a huge advantage with our business model.
We've also started offering a white-labelled version of our software to organisations, which in turn gives us rapid scale into their audience. We've found significant success in this department with the likes of the Scouts and Oxford University Press.
So far, we've raised nearly £2 million in crowdfunding, as well as £3 million in backing from VCs, grants and angels from the Google community. These funds have enabled us to invest in R&D and scale our platform to impact 5 million students in 170 countries.
Over the past 18 months, we've seen worldwide sign-ups increase by 600%. And as classrooms reopen, nearly 1,000 teachers are joining our community every day.
This year, we've already experienced 2.5 times annual recurring revenue growth. It's important to us to have impact in emerging markets too, with 37,000 teachers now signed up in the Philippines and a government deal in the region.
This means more to us than just the numbers. Not only do we improve individual grades, we've also been shown to bridge the gap between students of different socioeconomic backgrounds.
Recently, we've seen just how powerful the Edtech sector can be. Studies have shown that it has accelerated 5 to 10 years compared to original projections. Today, 83% of investors now see it as the sector with the greatest opportunity for growth.
Funds raised in this round will go directly towards scaling our premium subscriptions and partnerships, whilst improving product and customer experience for our educators. With your help, we can continue to build a truly useful tool for teachers everywhere and improve learning outcomes for every student.
Join one of Edtech's most promising ventures.
And in doing so, give more power to teachers and students alike.